In the vast sea of religious texts, there are certain verses that shine brighter than others, offering guidance and solace to those seeking a deeper understanding of their faith. One such verse is John 14 verse 6, a powerful declaration made by Jesus Christ himself. This verse holds immense significance, serving as a guiding light for our journey through life, illuminating our path with divine wisdom and truth. The significance of John 14 verse 6, illuminating our path. John 14 verse 6 resonates with believers across different Christian denominations, encapsulating the core teachings of Christianity. The verse states, Jesus said to him, I am the way, and the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. These profound words emphasize the unique role Jesus plays in the spiritual journey of believers. It is a reminder that Jesus is not merely a teacher or a prophet but the very embodiment of the path to salvation and eternal life. By declaring himself as the way, Jesus offers believers a clear direction to follow. In a world full of distractions and conflicting ideologies, this statement serves as a compass, guiding individuals towards a righteous and purposeful life. It calls us to embrace Jesus' teachings, to strive for righteousness, and to follow his example of love, compassion, and forgiveness. Through embracing Jesus as the way, believers find the strength to navigate the challenges of life and to remain steadfast in their faith. Furthermore, Jesus identifies himself as the truth. In a world filled with uncertainty and doubt, this proclamation provides believers with an unshakable foundation. It affirms that Jesus is the ultimate source of truth and wisdom, revealing the divine nature of God and shedding light on the mysteries of life. By embracing this truth, believers find solace in the assurance that their lives are anchored in something greater than themselves. Unveiling John 14 verse 6, a spiritual beacon for our quest. John 14 verse 6 serves as a spiritual beacon, shining light on the path of believers' quest for a deeper connection with God. It offers a profound revelation that no one can come to the Father except through Jesus. This statement emphasizes the exclusive nature of the Christian faith, highlighting the significance of Jesus' sacrifice on the cross for the salvation of humanity. This verse encourages believers to cultivate a personal relationship with Jesus, to seek his guidance, and to rely on him as they embark on their spiritual journey. It reminds us that Jesus is not only the path, but also the source of life itself. By following his teachings and embracing his message of love and redemption, believers find fulfillment and experience a transformative connection with God. In an ever-changing world, where the search for truth and purpose can be challenging, John 14 verse 6 stands as a beacon of light, guiding believers on their journey towards a meaningful and fulfilling life. It encapsulates the essence of Christianity, emphasizing the unique role of Jesus as the way, the truth, and the life. By embracing this verse, believers find a steadfast source of guidance, truth, and hope, enabling them to navigate the complexities of life with unwavering faith and conviction. Please like and subscribe. For more content and full videos, visit our channel. Thank you.